A beautiful friendship, plants and animals helping each other. In the wild world around us, plants and animals live together like the best of friends. They need each other to survive. Imagine a beautiful garden full of buzzing bees and colorful flowers. The bees need the flowers for their sweet nectar, which gives them energy to fly. As they buzz from flower to flower, they carry tiny grains called pollen on their furry legs. This pollen helps other flowers make new seeds, so more plants can grow. It's like a special delivery service. This is just one example of how plants and animals help each other. Animals need plants for food and shelter. Plants, in turn, rely on animals for spreading their seeds and even for certain nutrients. It's a wonderful partnership. Plants have a superpower. They can make their own food. They do this through a process called photosynthesis. Imagine a plant as a tiny food factory. Inside their leaves, they use sunlight, air, and water to create sugary food. This process releases oxygen into the air, which is what animals breathe. Clever, right? Photosynthesis is like magic. It's how plants turn sunshine into energy, providing food for themselves and oxygen for animals. Without photosynthesis, there would be no food for animals, including us. Just like us, animals need to eat different kinds of food. Some animals, called herbivores, munch on plants. Think of gentle deer grazing on grass or fluffy rabbits nibbling on carrots. Then there are carnivores, the meat eaters, mighty lions chasing zebras or cunning crocodiles lurking in rivers waiting for a tasty fish to swim by. And finally, we have the omnivores who enjoy a mixed diet of both plants and animals. Clever chimpanzees snacking on fruits and insects, or busy squirrels burying nuts and digging up worms. Imagine a world without anyone to take out the rubbish. Yucky! Luckily, nature has its very own cleanup crew, scavengers and decomposers. Scavengers are like nature's recycling team. They eat dead animals, making sure nothing goes to waste. Think of vultures circling high above or hyenas scavenging for leftovers. Decomposers, like tiny bacteria and fungi, are invisible helpers. They break down dead plants and animals into nutrients that go back into the soil. It's like magic, turning something old into something new.